Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to design the base banner, which is just the 728 by 90 banner that we did in the first chapter. So make sure you have open the slack-set1.psd right here. So I'm going to close out the actions because I have limited space to work with. And the first thing I'm going to do is hide all of these, just so I'm working with this one here. And then expand the group, and then right-click and copy layer style for the background. And so now we can take this background, right-click, and paste layer style. Okay, so now if we go back and look at what we have here, I can copy this text right here, and this is going to be placed on the title layer. Now it's very important to make sure that you don't rearrange any of these layers and you don't add or remove any layers. Otherwise the action script won't work. So just something to note. Alright, so when we paste this in, it changed the size automatically, so we can just adjust this a little bit. And let's take this one as well. Now, right now, obviously it's not the same size. This is much larger, but we're not going to make any adjustments until after we ran the script. So that's real important to remember. Okay, so our first object over here will take our logo character, which I'm just going to select him new again over here. Close that. Alright, so if I hit Control and then select it, will be selected on Object 1. So if we hit Control A and then delete, we'll go ahead and get rid of that icon, and then we can hit Control V to paste him in. Now because he is on a clipping mask right here, we can't see it, so he's pasted usually right there near the middle. Now because we have that issue down here again, we can change the layer blend mode to multiply. Alright, and then we have our call to action, which is the Join Now button. Alright, so for Join Now, what we could do is select the text and this layer, and we will hit Control E to merge them, and then Control A to select all, and then copy it. And this will be on this object layer right here, so we'll select all and delete and then paste, and then move this up. Right around there. And then we'll take the final corner bit over here and merge them. Control C, and then in Object 3, select all and delete, and then paste, and move this up right around here. And that is pretty much it. Now, the way the actions work again, you might have an inclination to try to fix everything right here, but that's not the best way to do it. And you'll see shortly after, once we get to the next lesson, which will be replicating the banners with the actual actions. Alright, I'll see you then.